All right, we are back out here in beautiful Nevada City taking a look at the roof. So this is day 3 of our install. Roof is all complete, starting the solar out here on this project. Our solar crew was actually out here on day 1 during the roof tear-off to get inside the attic so we don't go through the house and start pre-wiring in the attic. We don't like to run wiring on the actual roof. It just doesn't look great, and it's a cause for failure over time. We've got all of our mounts installed. We use spaghetti mat so that we don't scar up the roof. So as we talked about the other day, we've got our ridge vent, we've got all of our flashings and D-rings installed where needed. O'Hagan vent is a great little vent where you don't have access to ridge vent. We did have access to ridge vent already here. However, the homeowner had a powered fan here that no longer works and hasn't worked for a lot of years. He opted for a static vent. We have another O'Hagan here. Again, that was where another powered fan was. Again, hasn't worked for a number of years. We've got great detail around our piping with collars. We like to use those types of collars so they're replaceable. The asphalt shingle is going to wear at a lot slower rate than rubber. By having a single source contractor, you get a contractor that actually gives a darn about the details and your roof. A couple things. One, using a ladder standoff. We don't want to damage any of the rain gutters that are currently up here. We've got foam underneath the ladder standoffs so we don't damage the roof. Iron Ridge rail that's mounted up here. The Iron Ridge rail is going to support the solar array, and then we've got in-phase microinverters here that are going to control the power coming off the solar panels. Those microinverters go into a solar deck that we run all of our wiring through the attic with. So we do have some shading over here on this side. Homeowner opted to go ahead and install some solar panels over here to get that early morning sunlight, get these panels coming in from this area, get that early morning sun so that we can get some solar access on there. And then he understood that they're going to get shaded out a little bit throughout the late afternoon, midday. On this side of the house, we've got our main service panel